In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change candle colors in TradingView for a cleaner and more personalized chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load your chart. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all settings. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart area. A menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open your chart settings panel. Next, look for the tab called Symbol. This is where you control how your candles look. Inside this section, you'll see options for bullish candle and bearish candle colors. To create a clean black and white chart, set the bullish color to white and the bearish color to black. You can also adjust the border color and wick color to match for a more minimal look. Take a moment to preview your changes in the settings window. Once you're happy with the setup, click OK or Apply. Now your chart will instantly update with your new candle colors. If you ever want to change the style again, you can come back to the same settings anytime. That's it. You've successfully customized your candle colors in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.